Tired of facing personalized ads or facing notification ads on your Windows 11 PC or laptop? Worry not, as in this video, we are going to disable them for you. Though this method won't remove ads from Windows 11, at least you can disable them to feel less intrusive. And if you don't want your data to be used for tracking your behavior and showing targeted ads, then here's how to do it. Press the Windows and I keys to open Windows Settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security, and then click on the General option under Windows Permissions. Now, turn the toggle off next to all the options. Lastly, you might receive notifications on your Windows 11 PC in the form of tips, tricks, suggestions, and features. Here's how to turn those off. Press the Windows and I keys to open Windows Settings. Click on System on the left pane, and then navigate to Notifications. Scroll down and click on Additional Settings. After that, uncheck all the options under it. That's it. Now you won't receive notification ads as well on your Windows PC. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos handpicked just for you.